Now, as we have already done the format of a letter of complaint, and now we are going to start with the question how to write down a letter of complaint. So write down write down the question, you are Preeti Singh of B7 Janakpuri, New Delhi. Of Janakpuri, New Delhi. You have recently purchased a new refrigerator a new refrigerator from a reputed make What is the meaning of reputed make? Reputed make means that is of reputed company. However, it is not working properly. But what happened? However, it is not working properly. But what is the problem? That it is not working properly. So now what you have to write down? Write a letter of complaint to the company. Write a letter of complaint to the company and inform them about your grievances. Means what are the problems you are facing and how it can be tackled out and how it can be solved. Means what is the problem and how this problem can be solved. So what is the question? You are Preeti Singh of B7 Janakpuri, New Delhi. You have recently purchased a new refrigerator from a reputed make, means from a reputed company, but it is not working properly. So what you have to do, you have to write a letter of complaint to the company and inform them about your grievances. Means what is the problem, you have to write it down. Okay, and now let us start how to write down. Okay, so here it is 7 Janakpuri, New Delhi. So this is our sender's address which is already given to us. So write down. Let us write down what will be the sender's address. Write down sender's address, that is B7 Janakpuri, New Delhi. Okay, so this is our sender's address, right? Next, afterwards, you will leave line, write down date here, write down date. So what is the date? Suppose today is 10 January 2022, right? Then we will write down receiver's address. So what will be the receiver's address here? To whom we are going to address here? Because whenever we are going to write down any kind of problem, then we are referring to manager. Okay, so we are going to write down to the general manager or the sales manager. Okay, who is the manager of customer care services? Suppose LG Electronics, New Delhi. Okay, so whom you are writing? You are writing it to customer care services Okay, name of the company also you will mention, and where its office is situated. Suppose it is situated in New Delhi. Okay, so what is now subject? What your complaint is? What is your subject? Subject will be complaint. Whatever complaint you are going to write down, then write down complaint about. What is this complaint? What is this complaint? Complaint about defective refrigerator. Okay, so what you will write down? It will be complaint about defective refrigerator. You will mention, because the refrigerator we have purchased, it is not working properly, and now we are going to make a complaint about it. Right? So now I am going to start with the next part, that is the body of the letter. Okay, so now in body of letter, I told you that first paragraph, which is our introductory paragraph. Okay, so first of all, salutation. In business letter we can write down dear sir. Okay, so what is our para 1? Para 1 will be our introductory para. In introductory para, you will mention what you have purchased, when you have purchased, with bill number, name of the product, date of purchase. You will inform all. But how you will start? You will not write that I have purchased. You will start showing your regret. Okay. Now start with great regret. What with great regret? I would like to inform you that I would like to inform you that. Now, what you have purchased, now write down what you have purchased, what, when, and other details. You will mention here. You will mention that with great regret, I would like to inform you that I have purchased what? I have purchased a 500-liter refrigerator. Model number, you can write down any model number. Suppose model number DCX0098, anything. Imaginary one you can write down. With model number this, from your authorized dealer. From where you have purchased? From your authorized dealer. Okay, from where you have purchased? From your authorized dealer. You will mention the name of the dealer also. Suppose Gold Electronics, and you can mention Janakpuri. Where it is situated, you can also mention. Okay, on, mention the date, on which date. Suppose you have purchased it on 27 December. Okay, 2021. Okay, with wide number. Yes, with wide number. What is wide number? It is bill number. You know bill number, any can be of 123 CSM 2412. Okay, any bill number you can write down. Right, so any bill number you can write down, and with the 2-year guarantee. Okay, with 2-year guarantee or 5-year warranty, right? Or you can start with that I purchased a 500-liter refrigerator from your authorized dealer, or I have purchased 500-liter refrigerator with model number this from your authorized dealer Gold Electronics on this date with wide number this. But then you can start with great regret. Okay, then you can write down with great regret, I would like to inform you that the refrigerator is not working properly, although I have purchased it 15 days before. Right? So now, para 1 you have written what, where, when, okay, and other details of the refrigerator. Now in para 2, what we will do, para 2, you will write the problem in detail. What is the problem in detail? Write the problem in detail. It means that you will write down what has happened. So what has happened? Suppose the fridge is, or the refrigerator is not, or the cooling system of the refrigerator, it is not working properly. Okay, automatically it is switched off, and many of the things or many of the eatables are being spoiled without of less circulation of air. You can write down any problem in the refrigerator. And also it is also making much noise while being operated, means when it works it is also causing a lot of noise. Lot of noise is also produced. And moreover, there is no auto defrosting of the refrigerator. There is no auto defrosting. There is no auto defrosting of the refrigerator. No auto defrosting means what it means? It means that it is not auto defrosting. So because of this reason, there is deposition of ice. What is there? There is deposition of ice. There is a lot of deposition of ice in the ice chamber. अब ice chamber में है ice accumulated, so then what will happen? And there is a lot of deposition of ice in ice chamber, so that the cooling is not reaching to the lower parts of the refrigerator and making all the eatables to spoil. So you have written the problem in detail. Now the third part, now in the third para, what we will write down? Para 3. Now in para 3, you will write down, now you will make a request. Okay, you will first of all tell them that we have made a complaint to the dealer, but he has not provided any service to you. This is the reason why you are writing to him. So what you will do, you will write down, I have made a complaint to the authorized dealer, but he has not taken any satisfactory step. So now why you are writing? I am writing this letter to bring to your notice about the malfunctioning of the refrigerator. So why you are writing? I am writing this letter to you about the malfunctioning of refrigerator, that there is problem in the functioning of the refrigerator. So I told you what you will tell them. You will tell them either to send the engineer to fix the problem or to replace it, as it is under 2 years warranty. Okay, so last line I told you, no, that day what you will write down, you will not fight with them. Whatever you are going to tell them, you are going to tell them in a very polite manner. Okay, so what you will request them? So I request you to either send an engineer to fix the problem. To fix the problem, what it means? It means that to sort the problem. What is the meaning of fix the problem? To fix the problem means to sort the problem, or what they have to do, either to fix the problem or to replace it. Ask these two things. Replace it as it is under warranty period. Right? So this is the main thing that you have to write down. Either to replace it or to fix it as it is under warranty period. So in this manner, what you will do, You will make a complaint, but you will not fight. You will not threaten them. You will not harsh words. With where you can say with mellow voice, with your mild voice, you will explain your problem and tell them to fix it. Okay, so when they have done, then ultimately a complimentary clause. What is complimentary clause in these letters? Yours truly. Spellings are TRULY and then your name. Clear? So this is how you are writing a letter of complaint. Right? Okay. So this is how you will write down a letter of complaint. It means that 3 main paragraphs you will have. In those 3 paragraphs, what you will write down? Para 1, explain what you have purchased, when you have purchased with details. Para 2, explain the problem in detail. And in para 3, make a request to fix the problem or to, you can say, to sort your problem out. So these are the various steps that you will write down while writing a letter of complaint.